A bill to expand Michigan's Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act is headed to the full state Senate tonight.
It already prohibits discrimination based on things like religion, race, age, and sex. Well, now a bill approved by a Senate committee would add sexual orientation and gender identity to the list.
7 Action News reporter Mike Duffy headed to Lansing for the debate that led up to the bill moving forward today on a 5-1 vote.
That's right. The Senate Civil Rights, Judiciary and Public Safety Committee heard from business and community leaders here today about why now is the time to expand the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act.
We're not asking for special privileges, special rights, special parts of the cities to live in. We're not asking for that. All we're asking is that you see me as your neighbor, because I am.
Janice Poindexter is the vice president of the Trans Sisters of Color Project. She's been advocating in the Detroit LGBTQ community for over a decade, and she's seen the worst effects of discrimination against her community.
I see the murders. I've been to court with the families. I understand the loss. So the work never really is over. And so for us to be here at this moment, in this time, it feels damn good.
She's talking about the fact that the state Senate is hearing input about adding sexual orientation and gender identity or expression to the Elliott Larson Civil Rights Act as a protected class. Jay Kaplan, an attorney with the ACLU of Michigan's LGBTQ+ project, explained why changing the law matters, even though the state Supreme Court already changed their interpretation in 2022.
If we put the explicit categories in the statute, then that cements that decision. And then there's no question about the interpretation.
He thinks many Michiganders can get behind the change.
I don't think this is a liberal or conservative issue. This is about just recognizing people for their own abilities and qualifications and not marginalizing them or harming them just because of who they are.
Oakland County Executive Dave Coulter testified in front of the Senate committee Thursday. He agrees.
Especially the Republicans who understand the business case, which they're making today, I think, very effectively. I think there'll be bipartisan support for this bill. I'm very optimistic.
He was joined by representatives of some of the biggest employers in Michigan, like Dow, DTE, and Consumers Energy.
Really, government is catching up to what business has already known, which is if they want to be competitive, if they want to have good talent, and increase the bottom line, diversity is the right thing to do.
In Lansing, Mike Duffy, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Mike.